Hello my friends and welcome back. Today I will be sharing with you how I made these beautiful lanterns using Dollar Tree frames. I did make 3 different sizes using 3 different types of frames. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. These are the frames that I will be using. Everything will be in the description box. The first thing that obviously you need to do is unwrap them, take off the backing of each frame, and then make sure to lift up the glass and secure it with hot glue. I did the same thing with all the frames. Right now I'm going to show you how to make the smaller lantern. So once I'm done, I'm gonna go ahead and start gluing those frames together. Now, please keep in mind that you do have to remember the pattern. I did mess up a few times and my square was crooked. So once I have my square done, then I'm gonna go ahead and use the 5th frame as a base, and now I'm gluing it together. Because I did mess up, I am using some of these diamond wrap to hide the glue that I previously did. Now the medium size lantern, I'm gonna do exactly the same thing. Secure that glass. The first frame that I put is laying down, then the 2 are on the side, and the 4th one is laying on top. I know it's kind of hard to explain, but you can see here in the video. Now here I decided to go ahead and put some of the diamond wrap, because even though the frames are different, I do want them to have something in common, which is going to be the diamond wrap. This is the final result. For the 3rd one, which is the biggest one, I didn't film because it is the same exact procedure, just with a bigger frame. Now I decided to put the diamond wrap right on top of each lantern, and that's because I will be placing my lanterns in my entryway, and I feel that the diamond wrap will look very nice right on top of the lanterns. It's gonna glow a little bit, so that's the reason why I went ahead and put in some of the diamond wrap. Now I am going to decorate each lantern. I'm gonna go ahead and put in one of these mirrors that I bought at the Dollar Tree, and also I had this candle laying around, so I believe I bought these ones at Ross. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in, and then I will also add some of these lights that I bought at the Dollar Tree, and this is the final result. Well my friends, I hope that you like this tutorial, and I'll see you next time. But before I let you go, let me go ahead and show you how the lanterns look during the day. This is how they look like, and this is how they look like with the lights off. They really do look stunning. I mean, the camera is not really taking how they look in person, but just a sneak peek here how they look like, and then this is how they look like when all the lights are off. Hasta la vista, adios.